Hey guys, we had an awesome workshop last night. For those of you guys that tuned in and those of you that were here, I want to go over some of the supplements that we were talking about because I know a lot of you bought them and I just want to make sure you're taking them correctly. So the CytoDetox, and I know this is going to be backwards, but the CytoDetox is a zeolite substance that actually gets into the cells, and it also has some bigger particles that can't get in the cells, and it's a very clean zeolite, so there's no toxins in it, or they've gotten most of the real pollutants out. A lot of the zeolite is not has not been cleaned, and it's got more problems in it than you're getting out of your body. So you're going to take, those of you on the cleanse, you can take a half of a dropper full twice a day. And then the other thing, the other part of the trio, I've got to walk around to the front, is the bind. Bind, backwards, bind is large intestine, and it's going to grab the heavy metals and toxins and molds and chemicals that have been released from the body, from the cyto, and also the fact that you're burning fat cells. So you're dumping toxins, heavy metals, and junk out of those fat cells, getting through your liver, getting into the bile, going down into your large intestine, and we need to catch it and get it out of the body. So the bind successfully, it's a really strong binder, stronger than a lot of things like chlorella or cilantro. So the bind gets it out of the body completely for you so it doesn't reach the bile. And then the Fastonic, spelled backwards, Fastonic, it is basically a magnesium compound that you put in water and dissolve it in water, and as it boils, it's going to basically bind with oxygen and release hydrogen. Hydrogen is the smallest element. It's going to get into the toxins, superoxides in the mitochondria, turn it to water and pull it out of the body. So those are the three fasting trio things that you want to work on. And then also we had the Restore, spelled backwards, which actually tightens up the blood-brain barrier and the gut barriers for the leaky gut type thing, because we want to make sure that that's tight enough and you're not getting the heavy metals and stuff into, or the big molecules out of your large intestine into your bloodstream to inflame your body, and we don't want to get the toxins in the brain. Some of you got the Cell Clear and the Cell Renew. The Cell Clear is helps with autophagy. So there's a lot of substances in here that are going to help break down those bad cells and digest the bad cells. And your body uses all those weak, tired, bad cells and toxic things as fuel. And then the Cell Renew, you take this with food. This actually is going to help produce more stem cells. It's going to help your body produce more stem cells. So I just wanted to make sure everybody got that data from last night. If you have any questions, just put it in the tagline down below and, put it out to me and I'll get back to you with it. And if you haven't seen the last night's event, you can watch it on Dr. Duncan McCollum D.C. It's also in Health Rebels, which you should join if you're not. You should just go to Health Rebels on Facebook and join it, because then you get into the private group, and that's a really good place to be. So you guys all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.